How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make the no-clip levels in Geometry Dash. Now, basically, in order to do this, you just have to place your block to wherever you want to. So I'm going to be choosing the simplest block right here, which is going to be the first one. And then from here, I'm going to enable swipe, and then let's just go ahead and put these blocks accordingly. Now, let's say that you want to make this blocks a no-clip block or a no-clip level. What you can do is to simply group them into one. So let's go ahead and start by highlighting everything. Click on edit group, and then this is where we get it done. You want to click on extra, and basically inside this page, you could then enable the no touch option. Same thing with the passable. And so if we have done that, basically the blocks that we have applied will turn into the no clip block. So let me just go ahead and hit on the play button. And as you can see, the blocks will turn into no clip. So let's then edit out once again. And if you disable that option, it will then return back to normal. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.